All right, hit the ground running. Look at these cells. Beautiful, aren't they? Now let's listen to these cells. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah, not sure if they're still beautiful, right? They're still pretty, right? However, they sound a little odd. So we continue looking at these cells, taking in the sounds. Start to think about how there's other people or other things that make sounds. Like this person.
Oh, hi.
Boom, a cell. Like this other person.
Hello.
Boom, a cell. Like this other person. Boom, a cell. You get the gist. So thinking about people and cells, I started to realize how these cells are quote unquote the most basic living life forms, right? But these basic living life forms are out here doing things that humans are doing. They're eating. They're eating some more and they're moving around. Look, you see these two people? Now they're cells. They're practically cells. Taking it a bit further, start to realize how these cells are just like not only beautiful, maybe a little noisy, but also extremely fascinating. Like these images were taken by a whole department that is dedicated to just looking at small things. These small things captured the attention of world-class scientists, and they're like, wow, how can we find out more of these cells and make them that much more complicated for students to learn about? Because that's the wave I'm on right now. Continuing this dilemma, it's just like, dang, how much cooler can these cells be? Switching gears, space. Space is cool, right? We love space. Space, it's like cool. It can be easy to understand. You know, you got a gas, and then you got some pressure, and boom, you have a star. Now there's these cells, and they're like, they came from space. You know, like there had to be something there for there to be something. And now it's like, damn, like how could we relate this to size? You go from a cell, then to a multicellular thing, and then you go to like a system, then an organism, and then a population, and then then an ecosystem, and then like a biome, and then a planet, and then a planet system, and then there's like a whole star in that thing, and then there's like a galaxy, and then there's like a cluster of galaxies, and then there's a universe, which just so happens to look like the cell. Mind absolutely blown. I don't know about y'all, but these cells are cool. And that's it.